Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and talk to you about how to prep for a hurricane and some really great ideas that I recommend now that it is full on hurricane season, and that way we can all stay prepared and stay on top of things. So let's jump right in. Put together a basic emergency supply kit. A lot of things in that kit are going to be food items, water, essential items that you'll need, and I'll put a list down below for you guys to check out of what should be included in your emergency supply kit. Get your pets microchipped. This is super beneficial for more than just hurricane prep should your pet ever get out or you guys get separated, but in the event of a hurricane, if you and your pet are separated in a rescue situation, or if you're unfortunately forced to leave your pet behind, having them microchipped is going to aid in getting you guys reunited so much faster, and I highly recommend it. I actually have another video where I talk all about prepping for a hurricane with your pets, so I'll link that down below. That way you guys can check that out as well. Be prepared and pack a go bag in case you guys need to evacuate or a rescue situation. You'll have all that ready to go. That way you can grab it and get out of the house within minutes. Things that you want to include in your go bag is clothing for a couple of days, any important documents that you'll need while you're away from home, just anything that you feel is necessary to have while you're away from home, put it in your go bag. If you have kids, consider putting either their loveys or their blanket, anything that's going to make them feel comfortable in the stressful situation of being away from home, possibly being in a temporary facility for the next few days until you're able to get back to your home and start sorting through all your belongings. Now is a really great time to go through your insurance policies and review those and consider getting flood insurance. Even if your house is not located in a flood zone or your house has never flooded before, in my opinion, it's better to be safe than sorry and have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. And keep in mind that a policy, when purchased today, typically takes 30 days to go into effect. So look into that now because you want to make sure that you're covered. We are already in the middle of hurricane season. And if you're looking for an insurance connection, I have several. So go ahead, reach out to me and I can get you connected with somebody. Go through your house and catalog the items within your home. You can do this by taking a video of all the items in your home, going room to room and just getting a quick video of each room, and then backing that up with an itemized list of some of the bigger items in your home and their costs associated with those. And then make sure to keep this list and this video in both hard copy as well as put it on a cloud. That way you're able to access it should you lose the hard copies and you have a backup plan. You'll also want to collect critical legal, financial, educational, other important documents and put those all in a waterproof container. Another thing I recommend is also putting these on the cloud, scan them, put them on hard drives, have them so you're able to access them remotely should you lose hard copies, and then having them on a hard drive helps have a backup to the hard copies. But like I said, a waterproof container, and put these items in your go bag because you may need them, and if you have to go, you're going to have all of that important information with you wherever you are. Create a family emergency communication plan and practice that with each other should you need to use it if you guys get in a rescue situation or any other emergency situation. This will be super beneficial. Consider how you guys plan to get in contact with each other if you get separated. Who are you going to call in the event of you need assistance? On top of that, consider who you're going to call as far as other family members to let them know that you guys are okay, and just make sure that you practice this plan so that everyone can be on the same page if it's needed. keep your gas tank at least half full at all times. I recommend this all throughout hurricane season because if there is an evacuation, you just want to make sure you're prepared so that you guys can go, because sometimes when it comes time to evacuate, gas can be hard to come by because there's so many people trying to get it. So just please, please, please keep your gas tank at least half full at all times. Last but certainly not least, turn around, don't drown. It is not worth it to go through water because you never know how deep it is. Current could sweep your vehicle away and you find yourself having to get out. Just please, please, please stay safe, turn around and find an alternate route, and stay dry, stay safe. So turn around, do not drown. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you have any extra tips to add, please comment them down below. I'm sure I've missed something, so I'd love to hear what you think about it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.